So over here, if I were to go ahead and play this video, you can see that this video is of a foosball game right here. So let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and slowly navigate frame by frame for this particular video. In that case, in your keyboard, you can simply press the letter E, and then once you go ahead and click on it, you can see that it goes to next frame one by one. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and use the advanced controls and use this button right here, frame by frame, to go frame by frame and observe this out right here, just like this. If you don't see the advanced controls, then you can simply go to view and then access the advanced controls from over here, just like this, and you'll be able to see it right here. So this is what you have. Press E right here, it goes to the next frame. So you can go ahead on to any other place as you want right here. Press E right here, and here you can go ahead and press it to go ahead and just see the video frames in detail as you like. So that is how you can utilize the frame by frame playback inside a VLC Media Player. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.